All right, now we're going to work on these two methods, print mortgage and print payment schedule. Where should we move these methods to? Well, because both these methods are about reporting, I would prefer to create a new class called MortgageReport. So once again, we're going to use the refactoring tool in IntelliJ. With the caret on the method name, let's press Ctrl and T and move this method to a new class. We're going to call that com.code with mosh mortgage report. Now in this list currently only this method is selected. Let's also select print payment schedule and make sure that both these methods are going to be public. Now let's refactor. Yes. So here's our mortgage report class with two static methods. Look at line 7. Here we're calling the calculate mortgage method of the main class. Now technically this method shouldn't be there. It should be part of another class called mortgage calculator. So we're going to refactor that soon. But before we do so, let's have a quick look at our main class. So IntelliJ automatically updated our main method. We don't have any compilation errors. So here we're calling the print mortgage method of the mortgage report class. All right, so we're done with this step. Next, we're going to move the remaining methods to the mortgage calculator class.